All right, so solving a system of equations, right, with two equations and two unknowns. And right, one of the ways of solving this is by substitution, for example, right? Substitution is one way of doing this. If you want to do substitution, then you got to pick one of the equations. I'm going to pick this one and extract one of the variables out of it, right? So x equals 49, right? And then subtract 7y from both sides of the equation. So you get x equal 49 minus 7y. Right. Now, with that x, you can go in the second equation. So you get 3 times, instead of x, I'm going to put in what I found here. Minus 12y equals 48. Good, good. Now we expand this parentheses. We multiply by 3 on both sides. So 3 times 49, that's 147, minus 7 times 3, 21y, minus 12y equal 48, right? So, okay, so what do we have? We got 147 minus 21y minus 12y equal 48. I'm after this y, right? So I'm going to leave everything with y on one side. So it's going to be negative 21 minus 12y. That's negative 33y equal. Now the 147 goes to the other side, right? So 48 minus 147. I'm going to be careful with these signs, right? So negative 33y is going to be equal to negative 99, right? Negative 99. So then y is going to be negative 99 divided by negative 33. Y is going to be 3. So I got the y. Now in order to get the x, I go back into this, right? So x is 49 minus 7y. So x is 49 minus 7 times 3, right? So x is 49 minus 21. That's 28. Now, there's several ways of doing this. Yes, you could look at this as a row echelon type of solution, right? You could do a row echelon here. So let's see what we could do, right? So there's the system of equations, but I can change this system of equations into a matrix form, right? So I'm going to put the coefficient of x is 1, the coefficient of y is 7, then the 49 is the free term, then the coefficient of x is 3, the coefficient of y is negative 12, this is actually 48, right? 48. Okay, so we get 48 now, right? Row echelon, right? Remember we're trying to get this triangle thing in there, right? So I'm going to use the first row to get rid of this 3 there, right? So how am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to do row 2 minus 3 times row 1. Yeah? So, okay, so the first row is going to stay the same. Yeah? The second row, so if I subtract, this is going to become a 0. Now, negative 12 minus 3 times 7, that's negative 21, right? So I'm going to get negative 33, right? Negative 33y. And then Yeah, 48 minus 3 times 49, that's negative 99. Now I want to get that 1 right on the pivot, right on the pivot. So then I will do what? Row 2 times, or divide by, or times negative 1 over 33, right? Because I want to get a 1 here. Yeah, I want to get a 1. So so then we're gonna get 1749 here, right? I'm gonna get the 0 here, a 1 here, right? And a 3 there, right? Because negative 99 divided by negative 33, yeah, right? So what does that give me? That gives me y equals 3, and then I'm going to have x plus 7y equals 49, and x is going to be 28.